In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, documents, and other files from your Android phone to a laptop or desktop computer. First, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Once your phone is connected, unlock it and tap the USB notification that appears on the screen. From the available options, select Transfer Files. Next, go to your computer and open File Explorer. In the left-hand pane, look for your Android phone under This PC or Devices and Drives, then click on it. Open Internal Storage to access the files stored on your phone. If you want to transfer photos or videos taken with your camera, open the DCIM folder and then the Camera folder. You can also browse other folders to find documents, downloads, music, or any other files you want to transfer. Select the files or folders you would like to copy. Right-click the selected items and choose Copy. Now navigate to the location on your computer where you want to save the files. Right-click inside the destination folder and select Paste. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once the transfer is complete, you'll be able to access and use your files directly from your laptop or desktop computer. That's it. This is how you can easily transfer photos, videos, and other files from an Android phone to a laptop or desktop computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.